A major achievement for the West Island Line as its up-track and down-track tunnels have both been broken through in November 2012. With excavation completed, we are now consolidating the tunnel's structure and laying tracks and overhead lines. And the world's first tunnel dismantling machine has completed its task to remove linings at the overrun tunnel at Sheungwan Station in September. On top of civil construction, the West Island Line is also progressing with E&M work as the last batch of locomotives was delivered in November. Transportation of these works trains was no mean feat. It took careful planning and long wagons were delivered overnight to minimize disruption to the community. Meanwhile, we are also conducting factory assessment for the new line's platform screen door and signaling systems. In terms of the construction of the new line's stations, Sai Ying Pun Station is taking shape as we build the track and concourse slabs as well as station entrances. Passenger adits and concourse slabs are some of the station structures that we are currently working on at Hong Kong University Station. Excavation is going on at the same time at different parts of the station, which spans across Western District and mid-levels. At Kennedy Town Station, some of the station structures are being built under decking to reduce noise and dust. Wall and track slabs are among the structures currently under construction. Installation of lifts and escalators on Sands Street was completed recently, and the facilities opened for public use in December. For the Express Rail Link, excavation work at West Kowloon Terminus site is about 40% complete, despite numerous challenges including unforeseen ground conditions and limited space for work fronts. More progress has been achieved at the south end of the terminus, with excavation down to basement 3 level and concreting completed at basement 1 level for the non-core area. About 7.5% of the total volume of concrete has been cast for structures at the terminus by the end of November. We are now working on the mega columns and roof structure of the terminus at off-site factories, while major roof structure components are being delivered to Hong Kong. 33% of the Express Rail Link's tunnels and adits have been excavated by drill and blast, as well as tunnel boring machines. Blasting is taking place at Kwai Chung, Shek Yam, Shing Mun, Pat Hung, Tai Kung Po, and Nau Tam Mei. The first tunnel breakthrough for the Express Rail Link was achieved in Kwai Chung in December. At Tai Kung Po, up to 2 blasts take place daily at both the northbound and southbound tunnels at the site. Meanwhile, 6 of the Express Rail Link's 8 tunnel boring machines are working in full swing. At Shek Kong, one of the 2 TBMs at the site started excavating the north tunnels in October. The South TBM drive launch from Mai Po has passed through the Nau Tam Mei landfill, and the second TBM will be delivered during the second quarter of 2013. Topping out of the main building at the Shek Kong stabling sidings was achieved in November. The feeder station was completed and handed over to the E&M section in December. Meanwhile, works continue for the running maintenance shed and other facilities. The E&M rolling stock and signaling contractors are finalizing the detailed designs for their respective contracts. We are carrying out factory inspections, including on prototypes of lifts and escalators, as well as overhead line and track work. To transform Admiralty Station into an interchange station for 4 railway lines in future, a series of improvement works are in progress. As part of the South Island Line East project, stairs connecting the upper platform and the concourse have been widened and opened for public use in September. Works for an escalator have started as well and are expected to be complete in the first quarter of 2013. Meanwhile, the initial blast at the Harcourt Garden worksite was completed in November to build the future platforms and tunnels. At the Namfeng portal between Admiralty Station and Ocean Park Station, tunnel blasting has been in progress since August. And the precast segmental construction for the viaduct between the Aberdeen Tunnel portal and Ocean Park Station was completed in November. That means half of all viaduct segments have now been cast. All foundation work at Ocean Park Station has been completed, and we are currently working on the structures of the station. At Wangchukhang Station, platform and concourse superstructure works are in progress. The tunnel between Leidong Station and South Horizons Station is about 46% complete. Excavation for entrance A of Leidong Station continues at the main street of Ap Lei Chau. Excavation of the South Horizons Station is in progress under a temporary deck at a completion rate of about 12%. With the mini-drilling Jumbo, the up-track cable tunnel enlargement excavation of Kwantong Line extension at Yaomate Station was completed in September. Down-track enlargement has progressed to 40%, and the excavation is targeted to be completed by the end of March 2013. Meanwhile, blasting continues at the Wiley Road Ancillary Building to enable tunnel main drive to commence. Site formation excavation through open blasting at Ho Man Tin Station has reached the 2/3 mark at 66% completion. Site formation level has come down by more than 30 meters over the past year and is expected to reach the final formation level by the third quarter in 2013. At Whampoa Station, pipe piling for station concourse is 63% complete. The second stage of a major temporary traffic management scheme in Whampoa was launched in October to enable the remaining pipe piles on the north side of the cofferdam to begin. Keeping the construction noise within limits and traffic and pedestrian flow with the least disturbance are among the biggest challenges we face at this station. Stage 1 of a temporary traffic management scheme on a section of Ma Tau Wai Road took effect in December to facilitate the construction of Ma Tau Wai Station of the Sha Tin to Central Link. Traffic lanes on Ma Tau Wai Road are partially closed and alternative routes are provided for road users on nearby streets. We keep close communication with bus and minibus operators, shop owners, nearby residents, and other stakeholders to minimize the scheme's impact on the local community. Preparation work is also underway along the alignment to enable construction to begin on schedule, relocation of public facilities, and better connection to the future stations. Three mainland contractors signed a quality pledge with MTR in November to assure us that they will provide quality work in rolling stock, locomotives, signaling, main control system, and ticketing for the Express Rail link. It's our joint commitment to provide high-quality, safe, and convenient service to the community. The MTR New Railway Lines Art in Station 2012 is among the public engagement activities that we have launched for the creation of artwork for future railway stations. The open competition covers art to be on display along the West Island Line, South Island Line East, and Kwantong Line extension. On top of our commitment to providing a pleasant traveling environment for passengers, we also hope the local community develops a greater sense of belonging to the new railway lines through participating in the creation of station art.